Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Xero for tracking landlord income and expenses. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, open your preferred web browser. Type in the Xero website URL, which is www.xero.com. Press the enter key to navigate to the site. On the home page, look for the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, enter your email address associated with your Xero account. Make sure to double-check for any typos. Next, input your password in the designated field. If you've forgotten your password, select the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if needed. Once both fields are filled out correctly, click on the Login button. After a brief moment, you should be redirected to your Xero dashboard. From here, locate the Business tab on the left-hand menu. Click on Business to expand the options. Select Invoices to view your income records. To track expenses, navigate back to the left-hand menu. Click on Accounting to expand further options. Select Transactions from the drop-down list. Now you can review all income and expense transactions. For better tracking, you may want to categorize your expenses. Click on a transaction to view more details. You can edit or add notes for clarity. To generate reports, go back to the dashboard. Select Reports from the left-hand menu. Choose the type of report you want to generate. Customize the report according to your needs. Once satisfied, click on the Run Report button. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.